This is Danny with Travel with D&D, and this is the Carnival restaurant. Hey, we're here for the brunch, table 385. This is a nice table. Look at this. Sitting, looking right straight at the ocean there. Beautiful. Great table. They do brunch on sea days. So we're in the Festival restaurant. We're here for lunch. Look at this table. Very nice. In the back of the ship, you can see there we are right there. We waited 40 minutes for this one. Everything's done through the app, but if you want a great location like this is the way to do it right here. So yeah, this is the brunch. This is our first sea day. We just got on the ship yesterday. So we're in the Festival dining room. Got a beautiful sunset going on. We're having the surf and turf. It's $23 add-on, but I think that's a good deal. It's lobster tail and what kind of steak? Filet mignon? Filet mignon. So gonna be great, you know. So we're in the Festival dining room and we're having the surf and turf. It's $23 to have that. But if you think about that, that's a pretty good deal. A lot of specialty restaurants charge a lot more than that. So we're going to enjoy that tonight. We got a beautiful sunset. We're at a corner table in the aft. Doesn't get much better than this. Keep you posted. So we just had our appetizers. And there's the sunset. Beautiful sunset coming down. And we're waiting on it's going to be a big deal going on here pretty soon. Surf and turf, vegetables. What else we got coming?
Then
Dessert. Here we are, chilling out. Yeah. Having a good time, for sure. Surf and turf tonight for us. So we'll keep you posted on that. So there we are in the window. So listen, our impressions of the $23 surf and turf meal in the dining room. $23 per person. What do we think?
It was good. It was good. It was good.
Yeah, it was good. It was really good. The meat was cooked perfectly. They brought us
Vegetables were cooked perfectly. I asked them to be al dente and not overcooked at all. Sauces were good. The butter, drawn butter was good.
yeah.
Everything.
We did. We enjoyed it. It was really good. It was excellent. All right, we'll talk to you guys. We got dessert coming. What's dessert?
Key lime pie and molten pig. I wanted it gooey. He wants it more muffin-like, and cappuccino.
There you go. So we're doing the tough work tonight, you know. Somebody's got to do this, right? Might as well be us. I got mine. What is this called?
Carnival chocolate molten pig.
Carnival's chocolate molten cake. Mine's kind of cooked well, they say.
And I did
And
mine
Dawn's is,
more. I did mine more.
yeah,
Molten.
soupy,
Yeah, molten.
malty. And then that's cheesecake.
That's key lime pie.
Oh, that's key lime pie. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's key lime pie. We're going to top off all that now with a cappuccino. Let me show your cappuccino. Oh, yeah, we got,
With a
they brought bread pudding.
bitter and butter sauce type thing poured over. She said it would be perfect at 11 o'clock to bring it back to the room.
Yeah, 11 o'clock. Bon appetit. About 3 hours. I don't know what the hell that means, but it means you wait 3 hours and supposedly it's the best it could ever be.